Hi folks! Today we're going to go on a dinosaur adventure with Rishan. It's going to be fun! It all started when Rishan started hearing loud banging noises outside his house. So that is exactly when Rishan decided to investigate. Where are those loud noises coming from? Where is it coming from?
It's coming from there.
Ooh, wait, I hear it closer. Do, 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 do. You hear it? Let's move these trucks. See what it is there. Oh, what is that?
Not the egg.
What is it? What is it?
Egg.
It's an egg, a dinosaur egg. Wait, there's another one? Wow, there are two. Wow. There's one. What color is these?
These are green and yellow.
Green and yellow dinosaur eggs.
So that's where the noise comes from. So that's where this banging noise coming from. So there's that banging noise coming from. These are the eggs banging.
But wait, I am hearing more. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. I'm hearing more.
Where's that?
No, I don't think it's here. Let's look there. Let's look there and see.
It's hiding.
Do, do, do. Do, do. Show me. Wow. Wow, here. Oh, but I hear another banging noise. Do, do, do.
Blue egg, Mommy.
Oh, there's a blue egg too. Wow. Wow.
I hear another banging.
You do?
Huh?
Do, do, do.
Where's it?
Do, do, do. I think it's these eggs making that noise. Is there a dinosaur inside them?
No, it's a
Ooh,
T-Rex.
there's T-Rex inside it? Oh, wow. I think we'll have to help them hatch.
Why these eggs are making do?
I think because there's baby dinosaur inside them and they want to come out.
They're the T-Rexes.
There are T-Rexes inside and they want to come out. So that's why they're making that noise. Do, do, do. Do, do, do.
Yeah.
We'll have to help them hatch. How do we help them hatch? Pick them up. And then what do we do?
Go inside.
Go inside and then put them in water? And then help them hatch? Alright, let's do it. Show me. Oh.
It's not sinking, Mommy.
It's not sinking?
Because every time
And now it's inside the water.
Mommy sees the dinosaur's face. The dinosaur's face. That's silly. Pink dinosaur, that's silly. Oh, yellow dinosaur. Yeah, yellow dinosaur. Mommy, keeping the water nice and warm.
You can see more of the dinosaur. Look, it's coming out. The shell is breaking. No. Let the baby come out by itself. Let it hatch.
I see baby face.
Yeah, you see it? Where? Oh, is it the face? I think it's the tail.
That's his baby tail.
Oh, cool.
Oh, there!
Oh, look at that. Oh, so cute. Little tiny dinosaur baby. Oh, wow. Uh-oh. I think they're hungry. What are you going to feed them?
They say they want these ones.
Okay, let's give them. Oh, that's their plates.
And
Okay.
then we give them.
Okay, what are you giving them today to eat?
We're going to give them a stick, softy.
Oh, that's a raw peach. Oh, you're going to give them raw peaches to eat today? Oh, that's healthy.
And then give this.
Oh, another raw peach. Oh, very good.
Yeah, let me get that. Tell me when pay.
What else are you giving them?
Oh, another one flowers.
Okay, let's give them some flowers to eat.
So they can spin.
Okay. Give them some flowers.
Soft, that's crunchy. This for him. And he likes a daisy. See?
Okay, you put the flowers here for it to make it look pretty?
No, 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 no. No. They have to be down so they can look.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, don't give it to. Okay.
Okay. Oh, what's the dinosaur eating now?
The dinosaur eating the grapes and the leaf.
Oh, and what's this one eating?
This one is eating the strawberry and the oatmeal. See?
Oh, is that oatmeal? That's orange?
The orange.
Oh, yum 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 yum.
Now dinosaur no more eating.
Yum 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 yum. I think this one wants more. I think he wants more.
Here. I gave you a duper. Here. Now you're done, dinosaur. No more eating. I made the dinosaur leaving his food. Dinosaur leaving his food.
Oh, he has to eat his food. Come back, dinosaur. Finish your food.
Oh yeah, he get the prize for him.
No, come back here. Okay, if you finish your food, we'll give you a prize, okay?
No, the prize there.
Oh.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Now he eats his food, so he's getting the prize. It's over there. You got the prize! But I want the blue prize, Mommy. Get me out! Get me out! Get me out! My dinosaur's stuck.
Oh no, the dinosaur is stuck.
Yeah,
what do we do? What do we do? Who's gonna help? Who's gonna help? Marshall, can you help? My brother is stuck.
Yeah, I'll fire it up.
All fired up? Wow! Ooh, is that your fire truck? Oh, that's so cool. Wow, look at the big wheels and the ladder up there.
Look right here.
What is it? What is
I
it?
mean the buttons and the
Oh, there are so many buttons.
And there's a stair.
Oh, this lever can move the ladder up? Wow, can you press and show me?
No, okay. I think I can press it this time.
Ooh, wow. Wow.
Okay. And all fired up.
Oh, help, Marshall, help! job, Marshall! Yay!
Mommy, he rescued me.
Thank you, Marshall, for saving my brother. Thank you so much. You were so brave with that ladder. You went up and you pulled my brother out. Thank you so much, Marshall.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem. I'll come back. Okay? Come back. Oh. Oh. Ah. Ta-da. Bye. I'm going to way home.
Oh, brother, I want to be a fireman too someday. Marshall looks so cool with his red fire truck. Yeah, me too. I want to be a fireman too when I grow up. Yay!
I don't think so you want to be a fireman.
Why, Rishan? Why can't I be a fireman, Rishan?
Because you returned to policeman.
Oh, you think I should be a policeman?
Yeah.
Oh, can my brother be a fireman?
Yeah?
Oh, yay! I'm gonna be a fireman. I'm gonna be a fireman. Do 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 do.
But first, you don't sing it and eat a leaf.
Oh, I have to eat the leaf to become big and strong? Oh, and now am I big and strong?
No, you're little small like a bishop.
Oh, I'm little small. Let me eat some more.
Now you can eat these too.
Oh, oh, now am I big and strong?
No.
No, I have to eat more. Oh, I like your flower. Oh, the petals are so pretty. Oh, can I eat it? Maybe I'll become strong and big and strong if I eat it.
But it's very big. When you eat it, then your tummy get pains.
Oh, if I eat too much, my tummy pains? Then what happens if my tummy pains?
Then you go to hospital.
I have to go to the hospital. I'm scared of hospitals. Hey, brother dinosaur. Rishan says if I eat and finish my dinner and lunch and breakfast, I will get strong and
now
big.
You're strong.
And then I can be a fireman.
Now you're strong.
Am I strong now?
Yeah.
Yay! I'm big and strong.
Marshall.
Can I go on the fire truck with Marshall?
Yeah.
Yay!
But don't take the food.
Oh, I leave the food here. I won't take it.
Mommy, we're on the fire truck.
Mm.
Here we go. How about you, dinosaur? How about you? How about you? How about you, dinosaur?
I want to come too.
Okay, then I give you food.
Oh,
Flower.
oh, I'll eat my food too. What do I have to eat?
Flower.
Oh,
Now you're big and strong.
now I'm big and strong because I finished my food.
Okay, now here, go here.
Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah. Ooh, the fire truck is here. Ooh, I want to ride it one more time. I don't see Marshall anywhere, but I know how to ride it. I can do it myself. I don't need Marshall. Whee! Oh, it's going too fast! Help! I think I broke your fire truck, Marshall. Sorry, I didn't ask you before I rode on your fire truck.
But now pull the engine up.
It's too heavy. Maybe we should ask Rishan for help. Maybe he can fix the fire truck. I'm sorry, I messed up. I should have asked you before riding the fire truck. I didn't know any better. Sorry.
Hey, nothing didn't happen. So that was just a mistake.
Thank you, Marshall, for being so nice. Thank you, thank you. Ooh, huggy, huggy, huggy. Huggy, huggy, huggy. Thank you.
Ta-da! Pink! Michael the firefighter's face.
Oh, thank you, Rishan. Thank you so much. You're such a nice friend. Thank you so much for your help. Ooh, that was a great adventure, folks. Thanks for watching. Bye.